Staying with Elon for a second, Tesla's Cyber Rodeo live stream date and time announced. It's tonight. It is tonight, and it's late, like all Tesla events. It will be happening at 9 p.m. CT, Texas time, Austin, Texas, obviously. That's where it is. So that'll be 10 p.m. for us here in the East Coast in North America. It'll be very, very late for a lot of other people in Western Europe and such. But they always do their events late. And there's been a little bit of discussion, some speculation on what might take place here at this party, at this celebration. The branding, I like. I like the idea of cyber rodeos. These are two things you don't expect to be together. There was a drone shot of, are those drones? That last photo there?
This one right here?
No, the one with the little dots. Like, what are those lights? Anyway, I don't think they're drones. No, the shot I'm referring to is the one where you see a number of cars with covers on them that may or may not be used. Oh, it's a separate. Anyway, that's fine.
Yeah. It's a separate article.
It's fine. So this was a post that someone had, I guess this is also from today or from yesterday.
I believe this was yesterday.
Either way, preparing for this cyber rodeo, and you can see the shapes of a variety of different Tesla vehicles that are probably going to be used for this event, could be used for this event, or they just hang out in that area regardless, and they have nothing to do with the event. But anyway, what we can see here based on the shapes is two Tesla Cybertrucks. Those look like Model Ys, 3s? I don't know. But definitely probably cars that already exist, maybe slightly new versions of it. We've also got maybe the old Roadster, because that's a convertible. Looks like a convertible. You were the one that suggested maybe it's an old Roadster. Oh, maybe. Let's all get really excited and assume it's a new Roadster. Why don't we do that, Will?
Sure, yeah.
In front of that, you have a very fancy cover. Looks like an aquarium. And that, I guess, is a Model X. And then behind it, you say this is the mystery vehicle. Go ahead, Will.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. Based on the silhouette and the shape, it doesn't look like any other vehicles. It could be a new one. Or like a prototype or something.
You heard it here first. Shout out 40 Fire, by the way. Yeah, maybe. Maybe it's a new one. You're right. The shape looks a little off. I think maybe it's just bunched up in the back. Could it just be a Model S? A more enhanced Model S? I don't know. I don't know. You're right.
There's other ones that's blanketed up.
Yeah, there's a couple of other ones there. Maybe they will be used. Maybe there's some prototypes. Here's one thing that's for certain. Some Cybertrucks are finally going to roll off the assembly line, and that's very exciting.
Yes.
I saw some people posting on Twitter some notifications from Tesla that it was time for them to set up their delivery. That's crazy. That means the Cybertruck is finally going to be on the roads. Yeah. I mean, not all of them. Obviously, it's going to take time. Not all of them. But you're going to see these things bouncing around out there. And I'm kind of pumped for that. It also means the one that I ordered is probably maybe not as far away as I thought. I don't know.
Yeah, go check your emails.
No, I don't have an email. Trust me. As soon as I saw somebody post, I went and checked my email.
Oh.
You know what happened to me today? Well, I'm going through the drive-thru, and the lady, just after I pay, she goes, "That's the new one." She goes, "That's the new one," to me. And then I said, "What, the phone?" Because I got the Z Fold 3, and I thought when I tapped to pay, I thought that she was referencing this. And she's like, "No, this is a middle-aged woman, you know." She goes, "No, the yoke. You got the steering yoke." And I was like, I looked down, and I'm like,
it's like, yeah, that's the yoke.
I'm like, wow, you like the yoke. I'm surprised. I'm glad, but I'm surprised. And you know what she says to me next?
What?
She goes, "I want the Lexus one. Lexus is going to do the yoke." And I was like, wow. Wait a second.
Wow, she's really on top of it. It's like,
wait a second. What's going on here? Just caught me right off guard. But anyway, the Cybertruck's going to be a different level.
Yeah.
An absolutely different level.
This is really exciting.
Very much so.